What's up, guys? How you guys doing? I'm doing great because it's Jackie's Life. I'm going to do jazz hands every time I do a video like it's Jackie's Life. But I'm next to my stuffed animals thing. And I told you I was going to do this video. So, gonna do it because I can. I'm going to show you all of my stuffed animals. Let's just get right into it. So, this is what I'm going to do. I am just going to do this in a time lapse. Probably wondering, well, it's going to go fast, so I want to be able to see the animals. I'm going to have it there for a few seconds. I'll just show you, okay, and then I'll put, if I could even spell their names, because sometimes I can't even spell their names. So, I'm going to have the name above them. And, or like I'm just gonna say, I'm gonna have their name next to it, and yeah, let's just get right into this. This might be a short video, but I don't even care because I just need to get this over with. So, let's go. Guys, I just forgot to say, my name is Little Steffi, by the way, but I forgot to say that I'm only showing my favorite ones, because I can't show the rest of these in a video. It might look like a little, oh gosh, I'm zoomed in. It might look like a little, but it's like a lot. But I'm going to show you an example with this one, so, because you could actually do something with this one, so I'm going to show you on regular video, not in a time lapse. So, let me get this camera set up. Yo. Let me put it right there. Okay. Why is that door open? Okay. Let me get it like right here. So the thing you do with this is you put your hands. Okay, like you're probably wondering, what the heck is this? You put your hands in here, okay, like this. Then you put your feet, which is kind of hard. Put your feet in here. Okay. And then you go like this. And then you like. See? Fashion! So, I'm going to have her on the rest of the video. And her name is Sparkle, by the way. But I'm just going to show, she might be like this, but I'm going to show all of them. I'm going to show all of them with thingies on. With this on. So, moving on with the time lapse. There you have it. I know I have a lot of favorite stuffed animals, and I have a lot. But I'll show you the aftermath of all this. And I still have this one, by the way. That's what I have to clean up. Okay, but then I have. Then I have all that left, but they're not really my favorites. Wait, is there? Let me just take a quick look over. Ooh, I've got this one. I'll put her name right here. Okay, guys, I know this is probably quick because the time lapse was there, but yeah. I'll probably put music on while it's there, but while I'm editing this video, I'll have this on, I promise. Oh, like 1, 2, 3. What? 1, 2, 3. Like dab. That's a horrible dab. Dab. I don't dab like that, just saying, but yeah. 1, 2, 3, bye. Like this video? Wait. If you like my videos, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys later. Bye.